Do you remember the camera that has been around for 10 years but is still going strong? Yeah, it's the Olympus EM1, the flagship mirrorless camera from Olympus that was released in 2013. In this video, we revisit this iconic model and explore whether the Olympus EM1 is still worth getting after 10 years. So without further delay, let's get started. The Olympus EM1 was a game-changer when it hit the market a decade ago. This compact mirrorless camera packed a punch, featuring a 16.3 megapixel live MOS sensor and TruePic image processor. Together, these components delivered high-resolution stills and full HD video, impressive low-light performance up to ISO 25600, and a blistering 10 frames per second continuous shooting rate with a mind-boggling shutter speed. One of the main strengths of this camera is its speed, accuracy, and stability. Its hybrid autofocus system, which combines 81-point contrast detection and 37-point phase detection, is one of the fastest and most reliable in the market, even in low-light conditions. Its 5-axis in-body image stabilization is also one of the best, offering up to 4 stops of compensation for camera shake. Its electronic viewfinder is large, bright, and detailed, providing a clear and comfortable view of the scene. Its weather-sealed magnesium alloy body is robust and rugged, capable of withstanding harsh environments and temperatures. Another advantage of the Olympus EM1 is its compatibility with a wide and diverse selection of lenses. It can use both micro four thirds and 4/3 lenses, which gives you a lot of options and flexibility. You can use the native micro four thirds lenses, which are compact, lightweight, and affordable, or you can use the older 4/3 lenses, which are larger, heavier, and more expensive, but offer better quality and performance. You can also use an adapter to mount other lenses, such as Canon, Nikon, or Leica on the Olympus EM1. This way, you can enjoy the benefits of different systems and brands on one camera. However, the Olympus EM1 also has some drawbacks and limitations. One of the main weaknesses of this camera is its resolution, dynamic range, and battery life. Its 16.3 megapixel sensor is relatively small and low resolution compared to some of its rivals, such as the Sony A7, the Fuji X-T1, or the Nikon D5300, which offers 24 megapixel or more. This means that the Olympus EM1 may not be able to capture as much detail, color, and contrast as these cameras, especially in high contrast or low light situations. Its battery life is also rather short, lasting only about 350 shots per charge, which may not be enough for long shooting sessions or travel. Its touchscreen is also not very responsive or intuitive, and its menu system is complex and confusing. The Olympus EM1 has also been surpassed by some of its newer models, such as the EM1 Mark II, Mark III, and Mark IV, which offer significant improvements and enhancements over the original EM1. These include higher resolution sensors, faster processors, more autofocus points, higher burst rates, better video capabilities, longer battery life, and more features and functions. So, is the Olympus EM1 still worth getting after 10 years? The answer depends on your needs, preferences, and budget. If you are looking for a fast, accurate, and stable camera that can handle any situation and weather, and you are happy with the image quality and resolution that the 16.3 megapixel sensor can deliver, then the Olympus EM1 may still be a good choice for you. It is also a great option if you already have a collection of micro four thirds or 4/3 lenses, or if you want to take advantage of the wide and diverse selection of lenses available for this system. The Olympus EM1 is also relatively affordable, as you can find it for around $500 to $600 online, which is much cheaper than its newer models or its competitors. However, if you are looking for a higher resolution, more dynamic, and more versatile camera that can offer better image quality, video performance, and battery life, then you may want to consider some of the newer models or other systems. Ultimately, the Olympus EM1 is still a remarkable camera that can deliver impressive results, even after 10 years. It is a testament to the innovation and quality of Olympus and the Micro Four Thirds system. However, it is not the best camera for everyone, and it may not meet the expectations and demands of some users, especially in terms of resolution, dynamic range, and battery life. Therefore, before you decide to buy or use the Olympus EM1, you should carefully evaluate your needs, preferences, and budget, and compare it with some of the other cameras and systems available in the market. This way, you can make an informed and satisfying decision that will suit your photography style and goals. So that's all about the Olympus EM1. And if it is still worth getting after 10 years, do let us know what you think about this. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.